Lake Valley parking. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So right now we are in downtown Toronto. This is the Westin Harbour Hotel. And we booked here for one night because very exciting that we are going to watch the FIFA knockout game round 32, Croatia versus Portugal tonight. So we've decided to drive to downtown and park our car here, valet parking, and spend here for the night because the highway will be closed from 2 p.m. to midnight. So unless we travel on public transportation, if not, if we want to travel by the car, then we have to arrive too early on and then we will leave tomorrow. So we take the opportunity to also stay here for one night to explore downtown Toronto for a little bit for the restaurant, but we're planning to go to Center Island tomorrow. I haven't been there for like decades, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like today. So anyway, I'm just going to give you a very quick room tour of the Westin Harbour Castle Hotel. You can see we are at 2724 on the 27th floor, and this is a corner suite. Is a corner junior suite. The room size is a little bigger, but it doesn't have a separate, room or such, but it has a pretty nice view. So no complaint, the studio or, the junior corner suite is pretty good. So on here, okay, is the bathroom. Okay, the hair dryer is here. Good number of towels. Okay, the rain shower is here. And then this is the amenities. Okay, so here is actually the closet. So they do have the deposit box. They do have, the nice bathrobe, as well as 2 pair of slippers and good number of hangers, and even an iron board. Okay, so moving right along, they have the coffee machine and tea machine, ice bucket, 2 glasses, and let's check out what do they have. They have a mini fridge. Okay, it's really a fridge, so not stock, which is okay. And then a good size television here. And over here, the luggage rack, a good king size room. And Westin Hotel is very famous for its heavenly mattress, heavenly bed. So it's here, the duvet and the pillowcase, everything is good. Okay, and here it has a separate little chair to sit on, that if I sit here I can see the nice view of Lake Ontario, I believe. Okay, so that's the lake view. Okay, so this is the lazy chair, and then another good small table, if you need to do some work here. Okay, the plugs there and everything. So last but not least, this is the view I'll be waking up to tomorrow. And today is a fabulous hot summer day. It's actually July the 2nd, because I did tell you we will be going to the FIFA game tonight for round 32, the final knockout game in Toronto Stadium, Croatia versus Portugal. So we are pretty excited about that. So we'll have breakfast tomorrow morning, but that will be pretty much of our experience at the Westin Harbour Castle Hotel. So keep on watching, thank you, and we'll show you this hotel experience as well as the FIFA experience and the fine dining experience that we have in downtown Toronto.